Death was perhaps one of the most important things that happened to a person in ancient Egypt. It was significant because it opened the door to eternal life, to a life that could be enjoyed to its fullest forever and ever. Because of this, the Egyptians spent a lot of time preparing for their death, and it didn't matter if they were princes or paupers. The poorest people had small graves that were dug into the ground, but even they had pots and beads and accoutrements that belonged to them during their lifetime. Tutankhamun's tomb gives us a unique insight into royal burials. Many of the objects that were placed inside the tomb was not just material goods that he would have used as a daily ritual, things to eat and drink. There were a huge slew of other objects to create a complex machine for Tutankhamun's rebirth and resurrection. The body would be wrapped in a way, it would be encoffined in a way, and it would be enclosed in a way so that all of the enclosing mechanisms helped take Tutankhamun from this world to the next in safety.